Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. I'll follow up on that 898 that I installed the translucent number board in using 5-minute epoxy. Now I've just reinstalled the lens, and I just wanted to do a quick video on this so you could actually see this lighted before I get it moving. That does not look like 5-minute epoxy, as you can tell. It's virtually the same color as the lens, and it looks like it's been in there since it left the factory. You can see this old locomotive runs absolutely splendidly. So anyway, it took about 20 minutes, half an hour, something like that, to install the number board. I just put a piece of tape on the inside of the shell and then filled that bacon hole with some 5-minute epoxy. Let it set for 20 minutes, peel the tape off, and you have a number board in the 898 that comes out virtually the same color as the lens itself. So this looks like it's been in there since it left the factory. It looks original. You would never know that that's made out of 5-minute epoxy. I mean, it actually looks quite good, as you can tell. Anyway, I just want to do a quick follow-up video on this. As I always stress, don't overlook the junk. This thing was dirt cheap. You know, beat to death when I got it. Touched up the paint, lubed, tuned, cleaned, a bit of maintenance on it, and this old locomotive is up and running just absolutely splendidly. And as you see, it now has a number board in it. And just that simple bit of 5-minute epoxy really makes a difference in how this looks, because you don't have that big vacant gaping hole in it anymore. It actually has a resin window now made out of epoxy. And as you see, that does not look bad at all. It actually looks quite respectable, as does the locomotive itself. Anyway, just a quick follow-up video on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.